look at that. Alright, so we went ahead and we cut the hole back in here. Cut that loose, welded it down. I mean, you can see pretty well. Used to be welded right here. We moved that back about 3 inches, and then we're going to raise the back end about 6. So you can see where it used to be all the way on the bottom. We lifted that about 6. Cut up a bunch of stuff here, and then we did a full custom front end, as you can see there. Got everything. We're about to weld that up today. So then we lifted the front about 6 inches as well. So the whole John Deere off-road tractor build is just about to be put back together. Now we're going to do some body work on this thing once we get there, but check that out. Bam! Everything's perfectly lined up, nice and good. Don't need to make any adjustments to it. She's gonna be a big girl. Yep.